Mark's
This,
ordered them.
I think they're
Wow.
just faking people out.
Mm-hmm. I would not be trading this.
Wow. We're coming 410 bounce. Woo. So they're targeting this here. So I'm not going to do this, but this is probably a good long entry for swings.
Yep. As long as I don't break that low.
Actually, down here is better. 44. Dude, they're wild and
They have a shelf between 4,003 and 4,000.
I want this short,
That would be beautiful.
but there's
Yeah, be well.
orders sitting at 40.20.
That's a special level.
Not at 40.17. I bet you orders come in as we approach this. So for people just joining on YouTube right now, like this is all going to be scalping. Um, you got to be super fast. So if you're following on YouTube, I wouldn't recommend following along because you're going to be on a delay. But I put the link to our Discord. That's the free section of Shorty's Discord if you want to join. And every once in a while, we will be trading live in there in the free section if you want to join up. But if you are scalping, I mean, you can play the levels that I'm showing, but you'll have to play it off your own charts, not off my chart, because you'll be at a delay. But if you are trying to trade SPX and scalp, and if you want to don't want to get torn up by theta decay, get tomorrow's expiration. But yeah, you really have to be a sniper in and out with your entries and exits here. So weird. I decide to go live like my kid's never in here, but he's in here just like gabbing it up because I went live.
Ranzel asks Sia, when did this doji start telling the story? Ranzel, chill, bro.
Ransel always asking the hard questions.
Always, he's never scared.
It cracks me up. What makes it oversold? What makes it overbought?
No, he's really digging into Sia. Oh, okay. Anyway, back to the charts. That was funny.
Yes. So orders have shown up here. I really want this. Should I get a bounce here? or not.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, sorry, I'm calling that early. It's like 412, 4012.
A lot of orders showed up at 410 too. They're spiking it. Popped it right
Yeah,
there.
there it is.
Nice,
Now
man. You're
bounce it
like
up here.
fast.
Bounce it up here. This is going to be your short entry if you're trading. I like that a couple people joined the server. Send it up. If you're going short here, I'd be looking at like 39.95s. I think I have a problem. Like, I'm bearish today. I should have just called this long. 4012. I knew they were going to bounce it here. Good job, Drew.
Yep.
I just realized like I'm waiting for this instead of like, oh, just take this long. That would have been a nice scalp. They're going to bounce it here again. Actually, I think they're going to slice it through. Look at this volume.
They always do that. They'll have a bunch of orders there and they'll slice it
Yep.
out of nowhere.
This is one of our larger volume candles. Yep. There's not very much meat on the bone, though. They're going to be bringing it to like 410, 409. If you're more risk adverse, 39.90s or $1.08 right now. I'm not.
See, I knew that Japan bearish news was going to come into play.
Is that what happened?
Yeah. More and more bearish news from Japan. And I knew Japan just has that effect on the US right now because of currency.
Mm. I think short term we're bringing it here. But this is sketchy because we're either coming here or we're coming here.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Yep. They
So
chose.
if you got those 39.90s, they're at 2.5 now. Or I should say 2.05. Wow, they're not giving you very much. could have made a quarter.
Could have ordered some DoorDash with that.
Yep. 39.90s are back to 2. I'd really like to see them hit 230 on the 39.90s, which will be right around 410ish. Not today, Batman.
It's just one of them days.
Yeah, it's a little rough trying to trade with PPI tomorrow.
Yeah, the morning was the best.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, they might give it to us. Right here.
Well, you got some nice orders coming in.
Yep. Right here.
Oh yeah,
There it
it
is.
goes.
So 39.90s hit 215. You should be out here. And you've got plenty of opportunity to get out. 220, 215. So whatever. We'll call that a 40-cent trade, give or take.
Yeah, we got market buy orders coming in,
Yep. And this is where you go long.
just like that. I love how you can see that on book map.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. You can just see the difference between a market and a limit.
Uh-huh. Another chance to go long here. 39.95s are $1.65. They don't want to give me this.
Right. It just goes tighter and tighter range.
Yeah, it is getting tight. It's got to be this. I hate it when that comes up. 39.95s are at $1.90 now. 2. I would take your profits here. 210. Another 40-cent trade there given
Sniper entry.
live by Ricky Bobby.
Yeah, okay.
So for people that aren't in the Discord, this price action's a little rough. I don't normally like snipe quite this tight, but I mean this is you trade what you're given, and this is how you do this. This is how you trade this. Like you just have to be really quick with your entries and exits. Um, Normally it's a little bit more giving, but right now it's not very giving. 39.95s are still at 210, so plenty of time to take profit. They're still at 210 on a red green can on a red candle. These are gonna rip. 235, 240. Yeah, even though it had some drawdown, it stayed at the same price. We're finally gonna come up here, I think. So those 39.85s are at 250 now. I would definitely take your profits here if you didn't already. They're sending it. Those are at 2.6, 2.65. I would be looking at the same contracts for shorts. The 39.95s for shorts were in the 39.95s, or we were in the 39.95s long. Wow, they didn't quite give it to us. That's crazy. So I thought maybe this was the trend line. You guys probably saw me like start to draw it, but then I was like, no, I don't think it's that tight. Little fake out there. I really want this. Please, sir.
I want some more.
I'll be a good boy. I want some more.
I want some porridge.
Oh, for ES, sorry, RS, I'm just barely seeing your message. I've been like staring at the chart very, very intimately. Um, Test 3960? No, no chance. Sorry. I can show you why. Uh, um, so here's our clouds. We've known this all day, like in Shorty's Discord. This is our 4 hour clouds. The 4 hour top is closed, and it's very closed. Like this is not getting broken through. And earlier it was the bottom of the top here was at 39.38, and we came to 39.35. That's the closest we were able to get to this closed cloud. I mean, you can see here, like once it closed, we tapped it, cannot break through. Came back down. The top of the cloud is at 39.53. So that's like the highest we could possibly see right now. We're not going to break through the top. I mean, you might get close to your target. Um, the 39.53 is close enough to 39.60 on ES. It's $8 or $7 is really not much on ES, but we're not getting over 39.53. At least not today, not until these
I mean,
clouds.
40.
Uh-huh. No,
40.
49.53.
I thought you said 39. Sorry.
No, you're good. Oh, I did. Sorry. 40.53 is the top of the cloud, and 40.38 is the bottom of the top cloud. We're not getting through those levels. I mean, we can get through 38, but if we do, it's going to be rough and we'll chop, and we're definitely not going over 53 today, at least, until the clouds open. So, anybody that missed it in YouTube, I shared the link to Shorty's Discord. It's just the free section of the Discord, but there at least you'll have some interaction with Shorty and other people from the Discord. And we'll be going live in there every once in a while for the free section, just to give people a taste of what we do on the daily in the Discord. And you'll get more education in there than you will like just coming to our YouTubes and stuff like that. Not quite as much as the paid section, but you will get quite a bit. So. This is nuts. Let's see. Kill this. Wow. That's crazy. They keep tapping 4013. This consolidation value area high.
Starting to see some support on Dixie.
Nice.
Dollar. So
Please hit this. Ricky Bobby said he would be a good boy if you hit this.
yeah, right. For a day.
Oh, Arius. Here, I'll share the link again. This is it. Whoa, that's not it. That's weird. Hang on 1 second. I'll grab it for you.
Oh, Shorty just posted. In case you're bullish.
Yeah, I could see that.
Yeah,
Want to go
Dixie
to
is showing
40-15.
40-15.
I mean, that's
Yep.
what I want.
That's what you want. So the orders are stacked there too. It's too perfect. They won't give you that.
Shut up, Ricky Bobby.
You know how it is.
Don't tell me the truth. Lie to me.
All right, we're gonna give you the perfect entry.
Talk dirty in my ear. I don't know, man. I think they're going here. What does Shorty say? Warning for bulls is issued. No, he's saying we're going short.
Yep. Beautiful.
Oh, L shape with close below POC. He's talking about for tomorrow.
That was shaped. Gotta stay updated.
Today's volume profile is an L shape, and we're closing below the 50%. Or sorry, closing below the POC. So he's saying going into tomorrow, he's bearish, but I'm sure he's not taking a trade.
I wouldn't think he would.
Because of PPI.
Yeah.
But if not for PPI, it would be a great swing
He
trade.
said he.
What's up? Oh, he's in TQQ puts. Yeah, but I don't think he's going to swing them. I don't know. Actually, TQQ is pretty cheap, so maybe he is swinging them.
I've been thinking about playing TQQ. I played some shares. They print nicely.
Nice. Whoa. What just happened? All right. Yeah, no problem, Eras. Dude, can you give me like 2 more points, please? Right there.
You got the volume to get there. And orders. There you go.
So, can we get like a hair more?
Yikes.
Dude, did they just seriously duke me like that?
Yeah, I think they did.
Over 25 cents?
You can see the orders coming in.
Dude, suck it, man. I was about to say 39.95 puts, and I hesitated for a split second because I wanted it in my green zone. And those just printed. They're up like 60 cents right now.
Wow,
80
that was
cents. Rat bastard. Hopefully somebody got it. I don't know.
You basically called the entry at that point.
I mean, my circle's kind of there. That's a bummer. That's what I was waiting for.
Yeah, they took the liquidity and they're like, we're dipping.
It's too fast. 39.95s are at 3. Oh, they're sending it lower.
Oh.
320. Yeah, 330. They're going to send it even lower right now. Because even on this little upswing, the price is staying at 330. 350. There it is. 360.
Good night.
I don't know. Hopefully somebody caught that. Like, I called it out a while ago that we were coming up to there. We were just shy of it. 370, 380, 410. You should be out here. 430, 450. You should definitely be out. You can literally suck it. Yes.
That was an absolute beautiful move. Oh my god.
That's what we've been waiting for like 40 minutes now.
Yeah. Oh, god. And dump it?
I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah, the 4,000.
There it goes. There 449. Crazy.
Ooh.
48. 520.
Barking, talking, barking, fed barking.
Yeah, he's doing a great job.
Yeah, he is. Keep talking.
5-6.
There we go. Break the law.
Anyway, boys and girls, that's how you do it. Just I was 25 cents off on this entry, but realistically, like, if you're newer to trading, everything's going to be a range. I was literally like had the words in my mouth to call out short here, but I missed it. Like, I'm being honest, I missed it. Hopefully people smarter than me caught this, because we were just shy of our mark. That's a great short entry. Those 39.95s are at 6 now. So if you took it, you made like $400 in a couple of minutes per contract. We do this all day long in the Discord.
Oh my God. Bookmaps is giving you all the confluence.
Yep.
During morning hours also you are doing the live session?
Yeah, we do live sessions. I mean, I try to keep it like every day. So Shorty
Okay.
goes live some days, and I try to go live on the days where Shorty isn't live. And when Shorty is live,
Okay.
I mean, I'm generally there. I just kind of keep quiet, but I will speak up if I see something. But he kind of handles everything.
Okay. So every time it will be under the free voice, correct?
No, not in free voice. This is a special gift.
Yeah,
Oh,
get
okay, okay.
free money.
Okay, got it.
Hey,
But so where can I check like for the subscribers? In which tab I need to check the link every day so that I can join this one?
Oh, you're a subscriber?
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we're in the free chat.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if you the free voice, if you look above that, there's the orb chatter and Makari's in there. That's normally where we
Okay.
trade during the day.
Okay. Oh, gotcha.
Wow.
oh, we're gonna dump.
39.95s are at 730.
It just broke my level. Oh,
That's 500. They're at 8 now. So $600 given to you guys if you caught this short.
that was insane. That was the move of the day. Besides the 11 o'clock move,
Yeah.
10 o'clock. Wow.
Anyway, that's how you do it, everybody.
Yeah.
And that's not bragging. I'm just that's how you want to do your trades. What was that? I'm sorry.
Yeah. Based upon the book map, so you mentioned that it may be they are trying to short it. So on what basis you told that it may be they are trying to add the shorting positions?
Oh, what made me say that they're taking it lower was because
Yes.
price
Mm-hmm.
was moving up and the contracts
Mm-hmm.
weren't moving. So like put contracts, the price was staying the same and the price was going up. So the put contracts should have been losing value and they weren't.
Okay. So here you're seeing the numbers in the put side, the red candles in the book map. So that was indicating that the contracts are not increasing, but the price is increasing. That's the reason.
Yeah. I mean, I'm looking at the overall picture. So our overall picture, if we
Okay.
look at bookmap here, we have a lot of
Uh-huh.
orders. I mean, they're gone
Yeah.
now, most of them, but we had a lot of orders
Mhm.
when this came up and tapped here. This is our short
Correct.
entry right here. I was a little bit
Uh-huh.
shy, but this red zone here is where you want to go short. And when we
Okay.
started to dip down, we had pullbacks, and on those pullbacks, the contract prices were not moving. So like as the prices as prices decreasing, our put contracts I think were at like $3.30, and we started to have a little pull up, and those contracts stayed at $3.30. So that's where I was like, oh, we're gonna dump because the option contract didn't move at all. But so we're using, all of the confluence. We're using our VWAP here. We have this trend line. The third tap of a trend line is normally a rejection or a bounce. If it's, coming from above, will bounce up. Coming up to will reject down. So normally your third tap, you'll always see a rejection or a bounce.
Rejection. Okay.
Or a bounce. If this was our third tap here, we probably would have seen a bounce up. And then we have bookmap here with a bunch of orders confirming, that this is a good short entry. So we have VWAP, we have our trend line, and bookmap all saying good short entry. And then once you're in the short entry, so like I said, price started going up, but the contract price for shorts was stayed the same. And that's where I was like, oh, we're dumping hard. Because anytime market makers move the price up, but the contract's price stays the same, they're dumping it. Or inverse, like if price is going down and call contracts are staying the same, they're gonna rocket it up. And that's all it was. So
yeah, nice explanation. Thank you.
yeah, no problem. And we should get another entry here. This is, we have a bear flag here ish. Um, 410 would be a really nice entry. So if we come in this zone here, I would grab puts. We might have missed it on this candle. I don't know. I want them to push it up more before I call it out. You can look at 39.90s or 39.85s right now. 39.85s would be a super lotto. They're 50 cents. I wouldn't get them here. You want it to come up and tap. I guess you should have got them there. You just got a 50-cent move on those 39.85s. This was the entry. So annoying. I keep being off by like a millisecond today. Oh well, hopefully somebody's trusting my circles. Yeah, so those 39.85s just went from 50 cents to $1 in seconds. That's probably going to be the last trade for the day, everybody. But we'll hang out and just see if anything else happens in the last 7 minutes here of the day. Nice. $39.85s went to 110. I think we're going to dump again because the contracts aren't moving very much as we see upside here. There it goes.
So in toss, where I need to check the book map.
I'm sorry?
So where I need to check the book map in toss.
Oh, so what you have to do is you click on the support button up here and you do the live chat and just tell them that you want bookmap, and they'll give you they'll ask you if you want the free or to subscribe. I just use the free one. Free gives you Apple, Microsoft, and ES. I only use ES. I don't need anything else. And then if you're doing
Uh,
that, I would highly recommend Bookmap is very intensive. I would recommend doing a separate installation of TOS for it. So
okay.
you just install it to a different directory. I don't know why my screenshot is not working. There we go. So like if you look here, I have 3 instances of TOS running when I trade. But one is just for Bookmap alone. Oh, this is good short here.
50% fib.
39.90s. They're at $1.07 right now. I mean, this is kind of do or die. $39.90s you can get for as cheap as like $1.30. I called out the short; they were $1.07. If you got them for $1.30, you should have took profits. They went from $1.30 to 1.7 again. If you got in at 1.7, sorry. We're probably going to dump here, though. This is do or die right here.
Oof.
Yep.
You see all those orders?
Yep.
Unless it disappeared, God bless Spy.
I got 3 minutes to set this down. Dude, they're keeping it just barely over 39.90. SPX is at 39.90.67. That must be max pain. They don't want them below 39.90 at the close. 2 more minutes. Yeah, they're going to keep it over 39.90. All right, so that last call out was a miss. You should have stopped out already.
Yeah, you should have take stop on that.
So-
EOD.
I don't know how many I called out. Oh, dude, are they going to send it now? I know we at least called out like 4 or 5 winners, though. 1 loser. Hopefully some people banked. We got a couple minutes left here. I'm going to stay live until the market closes. Kind of want to see what happens here at the end. I would love to see a dump down to like 4,000 right now, but it's not going to happen. They're going to keep SPX over 39.90, it looks like. Dirty dog. Crazy. Wow, look at this volume coming in on this 1 minute candle.
It's like magic.
Well, they're trying so hard to keep it above 39.90 on SPX. They did it.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. No problem, JP. Anyway, again, I hope everybody made some money. That was a fun 1 hour little session there. We called out some bangers. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Like I said, join the Discord. You know, even if you're just joining for the free section, it'll give you a chance to interact with us like whenever you want versus just when we're live on YouTube. And if you can afford it, join the paid section. And we do this every day, basically. So anyway, everybody take care. Much love. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch y'all later. Have a good one.
Have a good one, man.